Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Suunto Spartan strap. First, identify the correct strap size for your specific Suunto Spartan model. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated spring bar tool. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any tiny components during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient strap replacement. To remove the old strap, locate the small spring bars or screws that secure it to the watch case. Using your tool, carefully depress the spring bar or unscrew the pins. Gently pull the old strap away from the watch, being mindful not to lose any small parts. Repeat this precise process for the other side of the watch strap to fully detach it. Now, to attach your new strap, align one end with the lug hole on the watch case. Insert one side of the spring bar into its corresponding lug hole. Then, use your tool to carefully depress the other end of the spring bar, guiding it into the opposite lug hole. Ensure both ends of the spring bar are securely seated within the watch lugs for a firm connection. For a final check, gently tug on both sides of the new strap to confirm it is firmly attached and won't come loose. Look for any gaps or loose connections between the strap and the watch case. If your strap uses screws, consider applying a tiny amount of thread locker for extra security. A quick clean with a soft cloth will complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.